I went fishing looking for peace and quiet. The water was calm until something pulled hard on my hook. I thought it was a huge fish, but I pulled out a heavy object, an old rusty key. Curious, I followed the line and found a wooden box buried in the sand. I opened it with the key, and inside were old coins and a locket with a black and white photo. I didn't catch any fish that day, ... But I came back with a secret from the river, a rusty key, a wooden box, and a mysterious photo that I will never forget.